Good morning, students. Today I am bringing the second video of linear equations in two variables for the class 9 students. In the first video, what I have already uploaded, in that there is a small error. In some problem, instead of 15, I have taken 5. You change yourself. Either the problem itself you can change it as 5, or in the problem part you can make it as 15. That is a small error. Sorry for that. Today, let me go for a few more problems. Among them, the first one, find 5 solutions. Find 5 solutions for the equation. Pi x plus y is equals to say 15. Already we have solved yesterday. Find 5 solutions, 4 solutions. I will give some examples also. Some problems I given as a homework also for you. But this is slightly different. Pi x. You know pi is equal to 22/7. But don't substitute the value of pi here. You keep it as it is. Okay. And what I can do, since y is having the coefficient 1, let me keep y in the LHS. Pi x and shift it to the RHS is 15 minus pi x. I can go for a table for different values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take x and y. I will substitute different values for x. Naturally, I will get the corresponding values for y. Let me substitute x is equals to 1. That means x is equals to 1. Pi into 1 is pi. 15 minus pi. Don't subtract. Don't substitute the value. Keep it as it is. It is 15 minus pi. I will substitute x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. 2 into pi. 2 pi. 15 minus 2 pi is the value of y. Y is equals to 15 minus 2 pi. Let me substitute x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5. That becomes pi into 5 is equal to 5 pi, and the answer is 15 minus 5 pi. It is 15 minus 5 pi. Let me substitute x is equal to 6. Same thing. X is equal to 6 pi, and the y value is 15 minus 6 pi. It is 15 minus 6 pi. At last I will put x is equal to 0. I can put x is equal to 0. That means entire portion becomes 0. And y is equal to 15 minus 0 gives you 15. So y is equals to 15. This is how the problem can be solved. Let me go for one more problem. Now slightly a different one. Check whether minus 2, 3 is a solution of 3x minus 5y is equal to 17. See, my dear children, I have told you in my previous video that linear equation in two variable always has infinite number of solutions. This point again and again I am stressing. Linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solutions. Whereas linear equation in one variable always has a unique solution. This point always fix in your mind. Linear equation in one variable, one solution. Linear equation in two variable, infinite number of solutions are there. Now the question is, what they ask? This linear equation is having infinite number of solutions, but they are asking, is this a solution for this? There will be plenty of solutions for this, but they are asking particularly, is it a solution of this equation? How to find? Okay? What I will do, in such cases where they ask you check, you have to start with LHS. You take only the left hand side. 3x minus 5y. What I will do, in the place of x, I will substitute this value. My dear children, to keep this point, this is called as coordinate. The coordinate means the first value represents the x value, second value represents the y value. What I will do, this is the value of x, I will substitute here, this value I will substitute here, and if I get the answer is 17, I can say it is the solution of the equation. Otherwise, it is not a solution of the equation. Very simple consequence. Come on. 3 into x value minus 2 minus 5 into y value. Y value is 3. It is minus 6 minus 15. When both are minus, you know that keep the minus and as it is add the number. This is minus 21. We are supposed to get 17, but we did not get, which is not equals to RHS. And we can say, therefore, minus 2 comma 3 is not the solution of the equation. Not the solution of the equation. Let's go for a few more problems. Check whether 3 comma 5 is a solution of the equation 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 11. Check whether 0 minus 3 is a solution of 4x plus 5y is equals to minus 15. Let us solve these two problems. Okay? What do they say? This is the given equation and check whether this is a solution for this or not. I have told you a linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solutions. Among those infinite number of solutions, they are asking you, is it a solution? Let us check. Okay, let me start with LHS is equals to 3x minus 4y, which is equals to 3 into x value is 3, minus 4 into y value is 5. It is 9 minus 20. You know that when there is a plus and a minus, bigger number minus smaller number, 20 minus 9 gives 11. Give the sign of the bigger number, minus 11. We got it, which is equals to RHS. Therefore, 3 comma 5 is a solution of the equation. My dear children, pause my video, and what you can do is try yourself. Okay? And you can increase the speed of the video. You will get your it will run fastly, and you can find the answer very easy. Okay. What happens now? I can say LHS again. LHS is equal to 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. Those who already know all these things, don't waste your time. You can double up the speed. So, sir will like this. He will teach very fast, and you can find the answer. Okay. It is 4 into x value is 0 plus 5 into y value minus 3. It is 0 plus into minus 15. What we got? RHS, which is equals to RHS. Therefore, 0 comma minus 3 is a solution of the equation. Come on, let's go for one more problem. Now I will slightly change the problem. I will change the problem now. I will not ask you check. I will not ask. I will do like this. If 3, 4 is a solution of 3, 4 is a solution of 5x minus 3y is equals to k. Find k. See, I have not asked you to check whether it is a solution or not. Myself I have given you this is a solution for this equation. That is confirmed. It is confirmed that for this equation, among the infinite number of solutions, this is also a solution. And your work is to find the value of k. Pause the video. Try this. Okay. Let me start. LHS. I don't need to start with LHS because we are not going to check it. Let me start. Equation 5x minus 3y is equals to k. My dear children, see the difference. This is checking. We are not very sure whether it is a solution or not. So I have to start with LHS. Now it is not a checking. It is a confirmed that it is a solution. So direct equation can be taken. Come on. X value, y value. 5 into 3 minus 3y. 3 into y value is 4 is equals to 3. It is 15 minus 12 is equals to k. Therefore, value of k is equals to 3. Let me go for one more problem. Look at this. If minus 5 comma 3 is a solution of 4x plus ky is equals to minus 8. Find k. Here the k was here. Now I have changed the k here. Again, try yourself. Come on. What I can do? Now, since it is already known that it is a solution, no need to take only the LHS. Entire equation can be taken. 4x plus ky is equals to minus 8. Okay. X value is minus 5. 4 into minus 5 plus ky. Y value is 3. This k into 3 is equals to minus 8. My dear children, k into 3, always write it as 3k. Number first, followed by the alphabet. Okay. This is minus 20 plus 3k is equals to minus 8. This minus 20 I will shift it to the RHS. What happens? 3k is equals to minus 8 plus 20. Minus 8 plus 20. 3k is equals to, it is plus 12. You know that. Whenever minus and plus is there, bigger number minus smaller number. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Bigger number sign is positive. Therefore, k is equals to 12 by 3. Answer is 4. That is the end of the problem. Now you are quite familiar with the fact that a linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solutions. That means if I give you an equation, you can find infinite number of solutions. That means infinite number of values of x corresponding infinite number of values of y. Along with that, you have to keep in one more thing in your mind. How one equation has infinite number of solutions, likewise every solution also has infinite number of equations. This is the point. Might be some of you might not have understood what is the meaning of this. I will explain you, but you have to remember these two sentences. Every linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solutions. What it means? Say x plus y is equals to 20. I can make infinite number of solutions for this equation. I can make infinite number of values for this equation. Or I will write y is equals to 20 minus x is equals to 1, y is equals to 90, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 80, x is equals to 3, 20 minus 3, y is equal to 70. Likewise, I can make infinite number of solutions. Likewise, suppose I give one solution. 2, 3 is a solution of a linear equation in two variables. For 5 such equations, equations. That means you have to solve the equations in which this is a solution. What is this? Equation is 1. Solutions are infinite. Now, solution is 1. Equations are infinite. Now I will teach you how to form the equation. How to form the equations in which 2, 3 is a solution. It is very simple. It is very simple. I can form infinite number of equations. All those equations has this as one of the solution. Now listen, how I will make the LHS of my own. Anything I can write as LHS. I will write simply 4x plus I will write 7y is equals to. See, randomly I have taken. There is no specific order. 4x plus 7. But before writing the RHS, you will think, what is the value of x? X value is 2. X value is 2. What is the value of y? Y value is 3. Substitute first and check. 4 2s are 8. 7 3s are 21. 8 plus 21 is equals to 29. I will write is equals to 29. This is one equation. My dear children, don't get confused. This is one linear equation. It has infinite number of solutions. Among those infinite number of solutions, this is one of the solution. I don't say for this is only the solution. This equation has infinite number of solutions because you know that every linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solutions. But among those infinite number of solutions, this is one of the solution. Okay, they ask again. Form few more. They ask you 5 such equations. I go for second equation. I have told you LHS you can write of your own. Randomly you can take. I will take 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Randomly I have taken. But before writing the RHS, first you substitute and check. Come on. What is the value of x? X value is 2. 2 2s are 4. X is 3. 3 3s are 9 with a minus sign. 4 minus 9. You know that when there is a plus and a minus, bigger number minus smaller number, 9 minus 4 is 5. Give the sign of the bigger number. Right here minus 5. I have generated a second equation. My dear children, again the same thing I will repeat. This equation has how many solutions? Infinite number of solutions are there. But among those infinite number of solutions, this is one of the solution. This is one of the solution. Let me generate one more equation. Now you can pause the video. You write whatever you like, but only the LHS. Only the LHS. RHS you can't write randomly. You have to substitute the value, check it, then write. I'll do some more practice for you. Come on. LHS let us take. 7x plus. I will simply 1. 7x plus 1. Come on. Substitute. X value 2. 7 2s are 14. Plus 1y. Y value is how much? Y value is 3. 14 plus 3. Answer is 17. Right here 17. This is my third equation. Now I think you have quite familiar, comfortable to make the equation. Let us go for one more equation. Come on. Let me write. LHS, anything that you like. I will write 5x minus 2y. Randomly I have chosen. Very randomly. There is no specific order. But before writing the RHS, just substitute and check. X value is 2. X value is 2. Y value is 3. Come on. 5 2s are 10. 2 3s are 6 with a negative sign. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Bigger number sign is positive. Is equals to 4. Is equals to 4 is my fourth equation. Likewise, my dear children, how many such equations can be formed? Infinite number of equations can be formed. I will generate one more equation. Okay, come on. LHS again, randomly you can choose. I will write 8x plus, I say 3y is equals to. But RHS I can't write unless I substitute the values. Come on. X is equals to 2. It is 8 2s are 16. Y value is 3. 3 3s are 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. I will write here equals to 25. This is my fifth equation. Like that. Infinite number of solutions I can make it. Write five equations for which 4 comma minus 2 is a solution. Come on. I have to generate 5 equations. For all those 5 equations, this must be the one of the solution. Shall we start? Pause the video. Start doing. Compare with my equations. Okay. Come on. First equation. I have put LHS of your choice. LHS is of your choice. Come on. 2x plus 5y is equal to. Stop. Substitute. Check. Write the RHS. X value is 4. X value is, I'll choose a different color. Okay. X value is 4. Y value is minus 2. Come on. I will make my calculation here only. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 5 into minus 2 minus 10. What is the answer? 10 minus 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bigger number sign is negative. Minus 2. This is my first equation. I love this. This is my first equation. Come on. Can you go for the second equation? Come on. Second equation. LHS randomly. Let me write 6x. 6x minus, I can say 4y is equal to. There is no specific order. Very randomly you can take it. Come on. Substitute. Value of x is 4. Value of y is minus 2. Come on. Let me make the calculation here. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Minus into minus is plus. 4 2s are 8. Positive 8. Positive 8. Positive 8. Both has to be added. Answer is 32. I will write which is equals to 32. I will rub this. This is my second equation. Let me go for the third equation. Come on. I can see 7x plus 2y is equals. Let me make the calculation here. Let me go for the calculation here. 7x. X is equals to 4. 7 4s are 28. Y is minus 2. Y value is minus 2. It is minus 4. Minus 4. Answer is 24. I will write here. This equals to 24. My dear children, keep a point in your mind. These equations, every equation has infinite number of solutions. Every equation has infinite number of solutions. But among those infinite solutions, this is one of the solution. This is one of the solution. Okay. Let me go for the fourth equation. I can say 8x minus 5y. 8x minus 5y. Come on, value of x. X is equals to 4. 8 4s are 32. Y is minus 2. Little carefully. Minus 2 minus plus. 5 2s are 10. It is plus 10. Answer is 42. Right here equals to 42. That is your fourth equation. Can I go for the fifth? I can make a simple equation. X plus y is equals to x plus y. X is how much? 4. X is equals to 4. Y value is minus 2. 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. This is my fifth equation. Like that, infinite number of equations are there. Now, I will summarize once again. Every linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solutions. And every solution has infinite number of equations. The same question, whatever I have shown here, they can ask in a slightly different way in the examination. They can ask you in a slightly different way how the question can be asked. Give two equations passing through the such equations? How many such equations pass through the point? Pass through the point. Okay, listen, what it means? Give two equations passing through the point 3, 2. What is the meaning of this? See here, my dear children? See, every equation, some of the important things I will tell you. Every equation has infinite number of solutions, and when you draw a graph, always you are getting a straight line graph. That I will teach you in my next video, how to draw a graph. But basic idea will give you. Every linear equation two variable has infinite number of solution, and when you draw a graph, always you are getting a straight line graph. Now they say, see, for example, first equation, you are getting all these points. When you join, you are getting a straight line. And what are these? These are all called as the solutions of the equation. Solutions of the first equation. And I am going for the second equation. You are getting, these are the different points on the second equation. These are all called as the solutions of the equation. And this is called as a common solution. This is called as a common solution. That means, give two equations passing through the point 3, 2 means I have to generate two equations. I have to generate two equations, and every equation has an infinite number of solutions, and the common solution will be 3, 2. This is the meaning. But how to generate the equation? I have told you already. You can generate infinite number of equations. Come on. Let me write the first equation. Let me take simple x plus y is equals to x plus y. Value of x 3, value of y 2, 3 plus 2 5. This is my first equation. My dear children, how many solutions are there for this equation? It has infinite number of solutions. But among those infinite number of solutions, which is one of the solutions? 3, 2 is one of the solutions. Let me go for one more. I will say 2x plus 3y is equals to second equation. X value is 3, y value is 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. This is my second equation. This equation has infinite number of solutions. You are getting a straight line graph. You are getting a straight line graph. This equation has infinite number of solutions. When you draw a graph, you are getting a straight line graph. This is the second equation. And where they are intersecting, that point is 3, 2. That I will explain in my next video. Further they say, how many such equations pass through the point? You can say infinite number of equations pass through infinite number of equations pass through the point 3, 2. There will be one more line like this with different solutions. Again, this is a common solution. There will be one more straight line pass through this. There will be one more straight line pass through this. Every straight line is one equation. One straight line, one equation. One straight line, one equation. That means these are all the equations where we have drawn a straight line. One straight line indicates one equation. So they ask you, through this point, how many lines can pass? You can say infinite number of equations pass through the point 3, 2. We'll stop our discussion here, and when we meet in our next class, we will start the graphical method. And I will show you whenever you are drawing a graph of linear equations in two variable, every time you are going to get a straight line graph. Okay, that's all.